It's time to update the front. So we're seeing it in progress. I have ripped out all of this horrible fabric. I've used this stuff before. Nature just takes it over. It's not any fun. So now this is all down to the dirt and the old mulch. There's my blackberry bush. Now this is what was planted here that I've taken out. I've got a couple of bushes that are going to get way too big for the space. And I have started the new mulch cover. I've put down paper and then fresh mulch from the big mulch pile over there. And we're going to be putting in the peppers and the tomatoes are finally going to get a home. I wanted to properly start a garden, not right up on the house, but time is of the essence. So that is making the decision for me. Since this is the easiest spot to get working on, this is where they're going to go. So please tell me, how's your garden going? Is nature making decisions for you like it kind of is for me? Happy gardening.